Hello, in this video I would like to show you how the product attribute search works on the purchase order form and vendor form. I'm going to use the standard demo data and USAT company. I just installed the product attribute search add-on to this environment via LCS, and the product attribute search add-on doesn't require any setup to be able to use it. So let's open the account receivable module, account payable module, all purchase orders. We can see here, this is the standard form, and we can see here that the hierarchy category field is added. And some other fields are also here. Let's start one by one. So hierarchy category, here we can select any hierarchy that exists in the system. So in demo data we have a lot of hierarchies. I know that the Contos Online hierarchy contains a lot of products, so let's select it. Here the categories of this hierarchy are shown, so we can select any category from this list. Click OK. You can see that all attributes that assigned to this category appears automatically on the search section, and all attributes in lookup, for all attributes we can see individual values that is applicable to this specific attribute. So let's search by category only without specifying any attributes. Right now, this is the list of all purchase orders that has at least one item from this category. We can copy all purchase orders to the clipboard by clicking this button. So I just click it and paste to the notepad. Also, we can see here all these attributes, and we can specify all values that we need to filter out this purchase order. So let's, for example, select Bluetooth yes and brand Northwind Traders and click search. Now we can see all purchase orders that has at least one product from this category with Bluetooth and with this brand. We also can copy this purchase order and paste them, and these values can be used in different ranges on reports or in some processes inside D365 FO on the range form. So let's select another category, for example MP3, click OK, and also let's select some brand value for it and click search. Right now this list of purchase orders contains all orders that have at least one item from this category and with this brand. We can copy also and paste. Okay, so now we can also, I would like to show you also that the same section, the same behavior is embedded on the different purchase orders, on the all purchase orders form that exists in the system. So for example, choose purchase order assigned to me also contain this section, purchase order received but not invoiced, and rest. By the way, I forget to mention that we can also add attributes manually. For example, if I don't know to which category product belongs, but I know the product attributes. For example, I know that I would like to see all attributes, all products that has brand attribute with specific value, for example, lightwear. I can add brand manually to the to the search pane and click search. The system will search sales orders and without category. So right now this is the list of all purchase orders that have at least one product with brand Lightwear. Also, it is useful when, for example, I can add manually attribute on any level of category. For example, if I click audio category and click search, the audio category doesn't have any attributes that assign it directly to the audio category, but the audio category has subcategories with different attributes. So for example, if I need search inside audio category by a specific attribute, I can add attribute, any attribute from child categories. So for example, Bluetooth and I don't know, cord length, all these attributes assign it to child categories. Let's select Bluetooth yes and cord length, for example, 4 and 5. Also we can select multiple values here. Click search. Right now we have the list of all purchase orders that have these values. Let's open all vendors form. On all vendors form, in demo data we don't have a lot of vendors, but the behavior is the same. So we have hierarchy category here. Let's select Contoso online hierarchy, audio, for example, and click search. All these vendors has at least one purchase order that has a product from this category. We can also open purchase orders from the related information list, and this section will be pre-populated with selected value on the main form, and all purchase orders that have products from this category are shown right now on the grid. Also we can add here any attributes as we did before on the purchase order form. For example, the same, let's add new new attribute connector and select micro USB connector and click search. So these vendors has purchase orders with products with this micro USB connector. Let's review the purchase orders for this vendor. Yeah, we have a lot. We have to add connector. Connector will be pre-populated with the value from the previous screen, and I click search, and all this purchase order has this item. Review, I know that probably this one. Yeah. In the scope of the product attribute search add-on, we have added the product category and product attribute section directly to the product information dialog. So it is not required to click this item number and from the form click the product attributes to review the product attributes assigned to this item. So we can review product attributes directly from the product information dialog. And we can see that this item has the brand Northwind Trader and connector micro USB.